The two things they want, they love their name, they want to be understood. Your associate doc, this might be 891 of the week, right? And so he's going through the motions, or she's going through the motions. And so there needs to be a handoff that keeps the intensity you've developed on the quality of life rolling into the exam. We slowed down, we went into the why, and then Kelly would always say, Bob, is there anything that I didn't understand? People want to be understood, right? The two things they want, they love their name, they want to be understood. I heard Kelly doing a coaching call on Monday, and I'm like, wow, that's a good point. I should be saying that. Because she said, you know what bothers me about your recording? I didn't know till the very end what their name was. She's like, why didn't you use it throughout the entire process? How can I listen to a 20-minute recording and not who you're talking to? And so people's their favorite word in the English language is their name, right? In our office, if someone starts talking to me about the Chiefs during their exam, I'll answer one question. If they come back about the Chiefs, I'm gonna say, hey, you know, Bob, man, I'm the biggest fan out there, but I only have a few minutes and I can't be distracted. So I'm not trying to be rude. I need to focus on your low back and I need to make sure I don't miss anything. Once you start care, we can Monday morning quarterback all day long. Right now, I need to focus on your back. Do you think that gets their attention? You think that offends them? No, they appreciate that because Dr. Kingsbury cares about me and he cares about me enough to stop me from interrupting him so he can really focus on my low back. And so that handoff is important from the case manager to the doctor. So each step of the way, when you hand the patient off, there has to be a scripted handoff.
If you own a chiropractic practice and you're serious about growing it, subscribe. Everything we post is built for you, and we drop something new every day.